Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a hair review on this beautiful unit on my head. So I received this hair from Lavy hair. They sent me a 22, 20, 18 and 16 inch closure, and honestly I'm in love with this hair. Like, if you know me, you know that I don't really like to wear long hair because it just doesn't look realistic or whatever, but this hair, like this hair, yo, like I don't understand. It's so silky, it's so nice. This is their Brazilian straight. Honestly, like, I've had a lot of hair on my head. Y'all know, like, I do all these reviews. I've had so much hair on my head, and this is like one of the best ones I have like put on my head top. Okay, like this hair is so nice, and I just love the way it's so silky. Like, look how I just put my finger through it. So when I received this hair, I didn't do much to it, to be very honest. All I did is make the wig. I did not even bleach my knots, guys. Like, I did not bleach it. I literally just made the wig and called it a day. The only thing I did is flat iron it a little bit, and that was it. And honestly, just to prove my point on how good this hair is, I'm not even gonna talk plenty. You know, proof is everything. You can't just be talking and show no proof. So like I mentioned, I had this hair in for a week now. Okay, so this is my brush. I have nothing on my brush right now. Just prove it to you guys. See, there's nothing on my brush. Let's brush this hair all around and see how many strands I get on this brush. Okay, so let's start with this side. So, you know, just brush. As you can tell, I'm brushing it all the way through. Still brushing, you know. Fam, there's nothing. I talk plenty. Let me just show you guys. Oh, focus. What do you see on my brush? What do you see on my brush? Like, guys, I'm not joking when I say this hair is actually lit. Like, I'm going to Ghana soon, so it's very hot there. I'll let you guys know how it holds up there, you know, because it's hot and like I'm gonna be sweaty and whatnot. But so far, this hair is like bae. No, it was so hot. You understand? Purchase this hair, yo, if you want straight hair, affordable. I believe it was, let me double check for you guys, it was not expensive at all. Let's see here, I believe it's this, fam, $160 $160 for this. So yeah, let me do a quick 360 for you guys, okay? Bella breaks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and purchase this hair. And yeah, deuces.